Do-it-yourself Wilson cloud chamber. Natural radiation. Isopropanol vapor supersaturated at minus 30 degrees centigrade. Cryocooler for cooling overclocked processors. Alpha particle. Alpha particles are from radon decay. There is an overview of the thing. Without high voltage, result was not impressive. So 2 kilovolts high voltage is applied. Positive. Cotton filter was used to collect dust in the basement using vacuum cleaner. We see radon decay products, polonium, a lot of alpha decay particles. Basement air filtered with vacuum cleaner on a cotton pad, collected radon daughter products, polonium, and we see a lot of alpha decays. This is how it looks without high voltage.